Hi everybody, today I'm going to be making slime. I already started it by an accident. So. All you're going to need is some Dawn dish soap, glue, Elmer's, and then some of this. Some of the eye contact. And then, so you're going to pour this in. And then some glue. And you're going to all mix it together. Oh, and I forgot you have to do the paint too. And then take some of the paint, stick the edge of the spoon in it, put it in, and then mix it all up. So it's all mixed together and it's all silver, you see. Then you take the Dawn, and I'll tell you, and you just take that much, mix it all together, because this is when it gets the sliminess. But some of the blue kind of takes away all the gray, but once you get it, it gets like grayish bluish. So, guys.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Okay. Sorry, those are my brothers. I'm gonna mix it all together. Now it's a big goopy thing.
You hit my head. Ow.
Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay. See, is it slime? Yes, it is.
I'll smack you, mate.
Billy!
Sorry.
So those are my other brothers too. Okay, the slime's ready. It's not that sticky that much. See? It's not that sticky, but it sticks a little. So you could take your slime out. It's like goopy. Might stick a little at the first, but you have to just keep playing, and it will get unsticky. So, I hope you guys liked the video. That's how you make slime from scratch. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe. That is so how you make slime. Oh, and if you want to, you could add like glitter in it. You can mix it a little bit more. You can make it unsticky by putting more of this in. And if you want, adding glitter, it makes it actually very, very sparkly. So if you want to, you could do that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So hit that like button hard. Thanks for watching. See you next time.